guys, and welcome back to my channel.
No!
I did that wrong. Let me try it again. Wow! Oh my god, I'm always fucking up. Anyway, so yeah, hey guys. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to make a smoothie. One of my favorite secret ingredients. I always do. The most famous, world famous. It's Johnny Bell smoothies. And you know I'm a real ratchet bitch, so we got some expired. Literally expired Greek yogurt. Oh my god. It says the expiration date is May 30th. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's May 30th, 2018. Bitch, we in almost August. Like, honey, what? But anyway, I'm not drinking it. It's like not I am because I'm a ratchet. So, oh my god, why the smoothies, oh my god, why the blenders always smell like spoiled milk? Look, watch. Like, yeah, right there, look. Oh, fuck, I wish y'all had smell-o-vision. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna teach you how to make a smoothie. Oh my god. Y'all, my water bottle about to pop. Y'all hear that? I'm scared. Boom! You know? Ah! I'm scared to touch it. Oh wait, I wasn't even recording. I hate my life. Anyway, what I was saying, I'm gonna teach y'all how to make a Johnny Bell smoothie. My secret ingredient is coming soon, bitch. And yeah, so what you need to do, I'm gonna put like 6 spoonfuls of it. Wait, I'll be right back. I need a cameraman. Fuck it. So guys, what you gotta do, I got the expired Greek yogurt. And this shit's rotten, sis. Like my anyway, so yeah, pause. So yeah, what we gonna do is put 6 spoonfuls of this yogurt. Bitch, smell it. This shit smell like my poop. Yeah. So, ew, no it don't. I'm saying. Alright, so we're gonna put 6 of this shit in here. Ew, that shit sounded off like what the fuck is that? Wait, yeah, what? Yeah, put it, y'all. Put it close. Look. ASMR, bitch. What's the order? So, he's not doing a good job. This gonna feed, but he gonna feed me. I ain't gonna eat this. I'm gonna try it. First impression. Alright, that's enough. Just for y'all bitches who know. So what the me? So I'm gonna put it back in the freezer. I mean refrigerator. And this is what we gonna get. Fruity, just like me. That's what they called me in middle school. I felt like, yo, this shit freezer burnt, my nigga. Look, you can't. Are you recording?
Yes.
Oh. Yeah, this shit freezer burnt, my nigga. Like, are you zoomed in? Don't zoom in.
No.
Oh. So what we gonna do is put some fruit in it. I got berry medley, strawberry, blueberry, blackberry, raspberry, blueberry, berry. So let's get it. We're gonna put some. Ew, this shit look like raisins, my nigga. And I don't even like blueberries, so I hope strawberries come in. Why all blueberry? I don't like blueberry. Don't zoom in. So I'm gonna put some in. Oh! That was not planned, honey. Oh! So we're done with that. And then, bitch, that wasn't alone. We coming with tropical fruit, honey. Fuck me. Alright, so now we're gonna cut it, because this is brand new. How the fuck you almost fell? Alright. I got lipstick. Yikes. Can't relate. You know what? So now, who dulled this knife down that much where it looks like a nub? Like, what? Y'all weird in this house. Like, knives are supposed to be sharp. You see? And it looks like it has a butt. Like, it's weird. If I cut myself, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm not no professional cook. Even though, fun fact, I'm going to culinary school, so I see how that will work. Hey. Okay. We're gonna open the tropical fruit. I'm gonna pick a piece up by my hand. What is good? What the fuck is this? Pineapple? I heard what it is. Alright, we back. And yeah, I'm gonna put more pineapple because pineapple tastes really good. I don't know what the ratio is supposed to be, fruit and pineapple and yogurt, but honey, I don't give a fuck. So I'm gonna try my best and I hope it tastes good. Cause if it don't taste good, I don't care.
You can use this cup.
So no, I do care. Okay, so I'm gonna wait no. This video a mess. I'm sorry. So this is gonna be the teacup that we put the smoothie in. Sponsored by Pink. Psych, no, I wish. Alright, so, oh my god, what's wrong with me tonight? I keep on breathing. Like, do I have an asthma problem? I do have asthma. But, yo, oh my, can you keep your eyes on? So now, we're gonna use the rest of the yogurt just because I put a lot of fruit in it. Oh yeah. The expired yogurt, by the way. Oh, like who eating this? Me. But still, like you gonna drink some too. So you better have. You gonna put the rest of it in here. My nose is running. Yo, it's all chunky at the bottom. Is Greek yogurt supposed to be chunky? I think it is. Oh. Thanks, Queen in the background. The peanut gathering.
That's just my face as a cameraman.
No, that's what you're the cameraman. You're not supposed to show your face.
But every other you show.
No, so no, for real. I don't want you to scare you. So no,
You're hurtful.
I'm gonna wipe my nose. We have ghosts in the house, by the way. So, no, we don't. Alright. Come on, you suck. So, now, the magic part. Blending, mama. Just like your eyeshadow, bitch, you gotta blend. Hold on. So, I'm gonna teach y'all how to do it.
I already know.
I'm not, y'all. I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to the people. Talking to the people. Okay. So, now, earphones warning. Earphones users RIP because bitch is gonna get it out. So now we have this. Oh my god, it's such a mess. Yeah, that is dirty. Alright. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna. This blender is by Oster, by the way. You can get this at Walmart. What's wrong with me today? I didn't even have no sugar. I'm hungry. I didn't eat nothing. Feed me! Oh wait. Never mind, I did pre-record this video. If you watched my mukbang video, which was last video, I'm pre-recording, bitch. Alright, so. But no, camera on here! So you're gonna press fruit smoothie and hold the top. Oh, I'm telling you, record me putting on the top. Alright, so you hold the top and then, wait now. Record me. Now you gotta press fruit smoothie and RIP earphones. I'm probably just gonna mute it. It's not really blending how I like it, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. But Ice Crush. Maybe that's why I gotta put it on high. How about if you put it on low? I'm just pressing every button until all of it blends in because you can still see the strawberries at the top right here. So yeah. This shit don't wanna fucking blend. I still see strawberries at the bottom. Like what the fuck? I wanna put my special ingredient. I'm gonna tell y'all what it is, but not now. So I'm sick and tired of this shit. I'm gonna move the stuff at the bottom. Oh, that sounds like a witch's cauldron. Alright, let's see. Oh, I like the color. Put it in. You see, it's like a purple fantasy. I live for it. It looks like a tie-dye. Oh my god, I live for it. Alright. Round 2. Fight!
Recording.
Okay, alright. So I'm gonna put a little bit of milk. I don't know. I never made a smoothie before, so I kind of clickbaity though. I kind of clickbaity. Y'all saying, "Oh, I know this is my specialty," but I actually low-key never made one. So I'm gonna put a little bit of milk. I don't know if you're supposed to put milk in milkshakes. I mean, I don't know if you're supposed to put milk in smoothies, but let's put a little bit. And like a little bit. I mean, a lot of it.
You are supposed to put milk.
Hey, when you're a cameraman, you're supposed to be quiet. Just saying. Alright. See, it's all blended in. Ooh, it smells really good. It smells like a tropical fest. Now, my secret ingredient is tricks because unlike y'all hoes, I'm the main trick. Oh my god!
Can I prove it in?
I'm doggone. Guys, if you are a cameraman, right, you're supposed to be quiet. Cause Shane Dawson person, he never talk. No, stop, because I can have flashback. Right. So what we gonna do? What we gonna do is put tricks inside of it. So just so it can add some color and cuteness. Yeah. Alright, so let's see how you do it. I don't know, I never did it. It just look cute. It's not doing anything. How do you do something to this? Yeah, guys, it's always important to hold the top. Just because you don't want the smoothie to bust out. So, yeah. Finally blending, and I'm so happy. And we're all done. So yeah, guys, this is how it looks like, and this is how it looks like with Flash. It looks disgusting in Flash. But it looks really cute. It's like a purple color. It's really giving me my purple vibes. Like, if you saw it in real life, let me see if I can show it to y'all. See, it looks purple. It's so cute. And it smells pretty good. So yeah, that was my secret ingredients tricks. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna pour it in my cute pineapple cup. Let me just twist the lid. And yeah. So, wait, this is a mess, Eddie. Oh my god, like. Okay, so now we're gonna pour it in my cup. Hopefully it doesn't get everywhere. And it is, and it is. Oh my god, you know what it looks like? It looks like that purple shit off of Cat in the Hat movie, Dr. Seuss Cat in the Hat. Oh my god, it looks just like it. Like, still a little bit more. Drip, drip, drip. Came through dripping, drip, drip. Alright, so first impressions, I'm gonna lick it. Mmm! You could really taste the tricks. Oh my god, I like this. This is my secret ingredient, bitch. Oh my god. Alright. Guys, if you do a fruit smoothie at home, you have to put tricks. Oh my god, it tastes so fucking good. Okay. Oh my god, this is everything. I love this smoothie. This is gonna be my specialty. You heard it first, guys. So yeah. Oh my god, I don't know how I'm gonna clean all this smoothie. It's a lot of smoothie in the sink. I'm gonna show y'all. Not to like... Look at all that smoothie that dropped. And there's still some on the cup. I'm gonna clean it up. I'll be right back. And now to garnish it, even though y'all can't see it, I'm gonna put tricks on top. And I'm gonna put tricks in it. Just so y'all know that it's with tricks, honey. Oh my god, this is so cute. Look. Oh my god. Guys, you have to make this at home. It's only 3 ingredients. Frozen fruit mix, Greek yogurt, and tricks. And trust me, it's so good. Look at this, guys. Oh my... This is everything. Tropical for the summer. It's pretty thick. Just like me, bitch! But yeah, ew. It's a lot of seeds. And I don't like seeds all I eat. So yeah. Wait. Sorry, but yeah. If you guys like this video, you already know what I do, honey. Give it a big old fan. Okay, guys, I love you guys so much. Thank you for all the love and support. I love you guys so much. And yeah, I love you, my moon babies.